My name's Mary Muirhead. I'm the Director of the Learning for Life Autism Centre. I am the Chief Fundraiser for the organisation, and in that role I do events during the year to raise money for our charity. The events I run for our charity, the main one is our annual ball. When choosing a function venue for an event, I look for a place that's unique, something that our guests will find like a wow factor. We chose to come back this year because the service was fantastic and the staff and the people who run Leonda really care about what we do as well. So there was that extra care factor. On the evening of our ball last year, it was a very demanding day because it was raining and very cold, but the staff were there with umbrellas for our guests. They looked after people when they were parking. They helped us set up. Anything that we needed was there instantly. There was always someone to cater for our entertainers and look after all the needs of the production people. We had to get all our decorations and everything together in a very short period of time, which is really demanding. So we had a lot of staff helping. Yeah, every detail was catered for. It's not in the middle of the city for a start, so you don't have any peak hour Friday night traffic. And then the car parks are really easy. This car park right next to the venue and the one across the road at the church was made available to us as well, so that just made it easy for everybody. The feedback from our guests was so good that they all said they would like to come back here this year, so we like to listen to what our guests enjoy about our functions.